Good day to everyone, we are from Group 10. So our group is designing the water tank for house 2. First, the operation method. Existing pipe is connected to the water tank. Water pipe is installed and connected in the slope positions and is to enable rainwater to flow smoothly compared to horizontal or vertically installation method. Next, gutter with screen. Screen gutter will be the first filtering phase in the system covered with netting, to prevent the large particles such as dry leaves or insects from entering the gutter and water pipe to avoid any malfunction. Next, the first flush diversion. It is made of PVC pipe and float bore to filter smaller particles, and it is essential as the first pass of water in any storms are often filled with the sediments. Next, the 1 and the 1/2 inch overflow pipe with mosquito netting. The rainwater will only flow into the blue water tank from the top once the chamber is fully filled. Besides, an overflow pipe is proposed on the most left of the tank. As we all know, the overflow pipe is an important component for a water storage tank as it acts as an exit for the excess filled rainwater to escape and prevent water tank to burst. The water tanks. It is for water storage purpose. Each water tank is connected with a pipe linked together and reach the third filtering phase, an osmosis filter. The osmosis filter functions to kill the microorganisms in the rainwater that the net filtration and first flush diverter can't get rid of. Then, the osmosis filter is lowered down for the easy access by the villagers. Other than that, each water tank installed with valve for maintenance and clean-up purpose in future. Next, I will be explaining the installation part of the DIY filter. First, cut the existing section of the pipe to allow installation of the DIY filter. Second, apply the PVC cement or silicone to the cut 3-inch diameter PVC pipe and push it into the reducer 4-inch to 3-inch. Third, apply the PVC cement to the end of existing PVC pipe as the existing pipe from cutting and push one unit into the another end of the reducer. Next, another unit will be wrapped and tied with a silk chiffon fabric filter and push it into another hole of the connector. Fifth, apply the PVC cement to both ends of 3-inch diameter PVC pipe to connect one side to the screw cape and base. Next, the installation of piping and fittings for removal of excess water. First, you have to cut open a 25mm diameter hole on the existing tank. Second, insert the tank connector into the cut open hole of the tank. Third, cut the 25mm diameter HDPE pipe to the required length and push it into the tank connector and secure it. Fourth, apply the silicone to pipe ends and push it into the connector where connectors are needed. For excess water, need elbow and way connector. Fifth, cut open a 25mm diameter hole on the existing tank where necessary. 6. Insert the tank connector into the cut open hole of tank. 7. Apply the PVC cement or silicone to pipe ends and push it into the connectors where connectors are needed. That's all for the installation of piping and fittings for removal of excess water. Next, we'll be explaining the installation of piping, fitting and water filter for consuming. First, cut the 25mm diameter HDPE pipe to the required length. Second, insert and secure the HDPE pipe into the fittings elbow. Then the third one, screw in the 1 and 1/4 inch to 1 inch reducer nipple with female threaded adapter, 1 and 1/4 inch on another end of the nipple to one side of the water filter. Next, connect the 1 and 1/4 inch diameter female threaded adapter to the HDPE pipe where water will be flowing from the tank. Fifth, connect the 1-inch female threads adapter section from the water filter to the water tap and apply the seal tape where necessary. That's all for the installation method, and now for the maintenance part. And for the maintenance part, the gutter has to be cleaned at least 2 or 3 times per year. For the first flush diverter, it has to be cleaned after each rain event. And for the storage tank, clean tank by going inside the tank and clean any sediment. And also have to maintain at least 2 or 3 times per year prior to wet seasons. For water filter part, it have to maintain once every 6 months depending on the situation too. It has to be changed when it is dirty. Next, the improvement part. For water filter part, we have 2 types of improvement. such as lock the main valve of the pipe. And for the water tank part, we have 6 types of improvement. One of them is connect the pipe back and open back all the valve connecting to the tank. And there are 4 types of benefits. There are less cost to install and is simple, and besides there can be a primary water source too. Last, environmental friendly and energy efficient. And these are my group members. Thank you and have a nice day.